Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make a turtle out of paper. This will be a simple origami turtle tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is actually what it's going to look like at the end. It looks like a very simple turtle structure, and it's an origami turtle, and it's very easy. All that you need is a regular sheet of paper. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to try and keep this nice and short and sweet and simple and easy to follow. As you can see right here, I'll be going in a step-by-step manner. This is just a regular sheet of paper, regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and this is what you can use to make this origami turtle. So check this out. We're going to take it, we're going to put it landscape mode, so nice and wide. We're going to fold it in half. So make sure that your fold is nice and even for the most part. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try and get it to be nice and even. Okay, get a nice solid crease right there, and then you're going to unfold it at that point. So it's now been unfolded, okay? And then you want to flip it over so that the crease is a mountain fold, okay? Now we have a mountain fold like this. It looks like a mountain. We also have a valley fold, which looks like a valley, like a dip. So you want it to be like a mountain like that. You want it to be a nice mountain fold, okay? So now at this point, once again, we're still in landscape mode. We're still wide. We're going to take the top right and left corners. We're going to fold them into the center. So taking the top right, folding it into the center like this right over here. I have my audience over here watching me in case I'm sure you hear that. They love watching me make videos, my kids. So I entertain them at the same time as making videos. All right, and I'm also teaching my son at the same time how to make this. So, okay, now we're gonna take the left corner, fold it in just like that. He's having a nice big gulp of water, my son over there. So now what you have is something like this, okay? Once again, you have the mountain fold, and then you have the flaps looking like that, okay? So now you actually want to flip it over so that it becomes a valley fold, okay? And the flaps are on the other side, so it just looks like a triangle. Sorry about the camera going in and out of focus right there. It's trying to figure out what to focus on over here because of the lights and stuff like that. All right, so now we have a valley crease. Once again, it's a valley crease like that, okay? So now we're going to fold the left and right corners towards the center of the valley crease. So right here you see this is the right corner. We're going to be folding it towards the center like this. So once again, take the right corner, fold it towards the center line like this, okay? Just try and line it up. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the more that you line it up, the better that you line it up, the better that it's going to look in the end. And then the same thing with the left. Check out what I'm doing once again. We're going to fold it like that, okay? Line it up in the center over here. All right, just like that, okay? So now what you have is something that looks like this. So take a look at this, okay? It almost looks like a spaceship to a certain degree, okay? Give those folds a nice crease, just like that. And as you can see, mine is by no means perfect. I have this gap up here, but that's totally fine because in the end, like it's gonna look good no matter what. It's gonna look great no matter what. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna reach under each side and you're gonna unfold these flaps. Okay, so you're gonna reach under each side, unfold those flaps, flatten it out like that very nicely. Hold on, buddy. I'm almost done. We're almost done making the turtle. So now we've unfolded the flaps, okay? Now you're going to look at it. It's going to look like this. You're going to take the bottom right and left corners, and you're going to tuck them under. So take them and fold them under just like that. Okay? You want to fold them under nicely just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, but like I said, get it done. So we've taken the bottom flaps and we've folded them under. Just like that. That's what it's going to look like right now, okay? Now we're going to take the top flap and we're actually going to fold it down in half, okay? So you see right here would be the halfway point. We're going to fold it so that it sort of lines up right like that. And it should line up right there. So once again, fold it down, line it up with that right there, okay? And make sure that when you're done, it gives you a nice good crease. Let's just try and make it nice and creasy, right? You don't want it to be not creasy. You want it to be nice and creased. So use your nails and give it a nice crease, just like that, okay? So now we're going to take this part, and you have this flap right here. You're going to take this and you're going to fold it up so that this point goes over this line, okay? So check this out. I'm folding it up so that the point goes over the line, and I'll show you in 1 second. You see the point goes over this line right over here? We're actually almost done. This is like the last, these are the last few steps. Okay, so now we're going to fold the bottom right and left corners towards the middle. Okay, so we have the bottom right and the bottom left corners. We're gonna fold them up towards the middle. Now you're gonna have to lift this up because they're gonna go over. So you wanna take this, lift it up a little bit. Hold on, buddy. And you're gonna fold it towards the middle like that. Give it a nice crease. We're almost done. And this one over here as well, fold it up towards the middle, just like that. Give it a nice crease, okay? And then now at this point, you're gonna reach into these folds. You're gonna take each tip and you're gonna fold it down and out past this, because these are gonna form the feet. So fold it out past that. And you wanna make it roughly even, okay? So it doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, you don't wanna make the turtle have one foot that's like twice the length of the other. So fold this like that, outwards like that, okay? Now you can fold this back down, and that's what it's gonna look like from this side over here. Now, the last step is super easy. Take this paper, flip it over, and you have your turtle. Luke, check out the turtle, buddy. Cool, eh? So you have your turtle over here. You can see it kind of looks like a turtle. Now, like I said, this one was probably a little bit better, just the way that it ended up, right? It all depends on what you're doing. However, sorry, either way is fine. I mean, whichever way you look at it is totally fine. Essentially, either way, it will look good. But what it has, and just to describe it, is this would be the head of the turtle. These are going to be the feet. These are going to be the arms, and this is the shell. Just so you see it now. So if I turn it like this, it's probably a little bit better for you to understand, right? You got the shell, the arms, the feet, and then this is the head. Like, hello everyone, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Look, the turtles are telling you to subscribe, right? Hey, we're make sure to subscribe. Woo, subscribe. Okay, and that's basically it. That is how to make a turtle out of paper. This has been a simple origami turtle tutorial, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.